Hey everyone, so yeah, it's the day after my birthday. Today is Saturday. I want to say thank you to everyone that made my day, that sent me money, gifts in your own little way. Thank you guys. I got a lot of lovely notes. lovely notes. Thank you guys for all the reposts and everything. Anyways, moving forward, I'm heading to the mall now. I want to get a few things, so I take you guys along. So yeah, let's go. I'm just full of so much gratitude. Thank you everyone. This 25th, I know I've always said, oh, my 25th birthday was going to be loud, it was going to be this, but it's funny because I just didn't feel like doing anything big. I just wanted to be low-key, and because I gifted kids, that alone is enough for me.
More than you ever did, and I know you can tell. Damn, I'm vibing with the new me, and if you got a problem, you can sue me. Oh, baby, now I'm going for it. I'm a star in my own movie.
I got this parcel from G&G. Guess what brand is from? Is from no other but beguilebyomaa. When she first launched, I wanted to get this in the Philippines, but they said they weren't delivering to Philippines at the time. So I've just been like, anytime I come to Nigeria, I'm going to get this. But you know the one I finally got? I got Goddess. I wanted to get Seduction. In fact, if you leave me, I could get everything. And this is actually my birthday gift to myself. First of all, I want to say that the packaging is amazing because, I mean, it's well secured, which is something I'm always pretty... Guys, I can smell this thing. Do you know that I don't even need a perfume, but I just bought this. Take a look at this goddess. Like, she's so beautiful. He says she's not ordinary, she's a goddess. And from what I can perceive here, this smells really nice. Honey, hold on. Ah. This is such a sweet scent. Smells really great, honestly. I love that the bottle feels luxurious. Amazing. So I finally fixed up a door here. So my toilet didn't have a door before. Put up this one for me, but they're still going to come do a cement job over here, so that it will fit. But I really like how it looks. This door cost me. I'm glad that I finally did it to my taste. So yeah, gradually my own space will be coming together the way I want. So tomorrow they're going to fix this up.
Or maybe with the love we found, we go down in history. Or maybe we just go down in flames. Falling in love isn't all that fun if you're not falling together. Do you think of me when the sun goes down? Do you lie awake when I'm not awake? Thinking about you is about all I do, and I just wish I could measure how close you are to crossing that line. If you're wondering, I'm at 99%. The only little thing holding me back is questioning whether or not you feel the same with me, or am I the only one who...
Morning everyone. So your girl has a doctor's appointment today, so I'm going to the hospital. I finally found a clinic that I can identify with here in Nigeria for my checkups. So yeah, bye.
Holding on until I die. I'm not happy, but I'll try anything. He said, take this, you'll feel great.
We came here for meat pie, and this is where we have landed. Obsession at this point. Good morning. So I'm up to church now. I wanted to do like a come with me to church. Hopefully I'll be able to vlog. I don't know, but fingers crossed.
Anything, so touch me. You would be mad at the fact that I never eat breakfast anymore. Now that you're gone, I know you're waking up at 6 to the tropical sun just to have yours. And every time that it snows, I remember the day we made French onion.
I relaxed my hair. This year, after 3 years of saying I'm not going to do anything to it, I finally did though. Hey, baby. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to a new vlog. If I haven't said that, so it's the weekend. I don't work on weekends, so weekend is the days where I just have my time. Anyways, today is going to be a very busy day. It's already past 9. I'm heading to MTN office. I want to get a modem or maybe a home Wi-Fi, any of them that works out. I'll let you guys know. I also want to go to Garden City Mall, which is currently my favorite place to go to because it's closer to me than any other mall. I'm heading there to go buy an electric fan. I actually wanted to get an aircon, you all, but with the situations of things in my life, I'm most likely not going to be here for a very long time, so it's very pointless right now for me to invest in an aircon that is very expensive. So I'm going with an electric fan, rechargeable fan that works even when there is no light. So that's what I want to go buy and save myself some coins. Also hopefully get my nails done if I still have enough time, and also do some grocery shopping for myself. And yeah, let's start going because your girl is tired and I need to just run all of this and come back and sleep.
I've been waiting for a friend, asking what we've got left. 'Cause you left me years ago, but you're still in my bed. Oh, I gotta get away fast. Oh, I gotta get away fast. I gotta get away fast. Yeah. Used to love you as the sun sets. Yeah. Can see us as two, want to touch you, but I can feel you pulling on my heartstrings now. I can feel you pulling on my heartstrings now. Hey, is there anyone home? Hey, got lost somehow. Yeah. Used to love you as the sun sets. Yeah. Can see us as two, want to touch